Okay, hope you can see me. I just wanted to record a video of me opening my Glamcor mirror that my doctor that I work for bought me for Christmas. I hope you can see me. I feel like it's so dark in here even though I'm sitting under light. Anyway, let me get the mirror. This is my baby. And you see it says Glamcor on the box. So I have the Ricky here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But I always wanted the Glamcor mirror. And this is the Glamcor Brilliant mirror. And I always wanted it. It came DHL, I think. And it didn't take long for me to get it. So anyway, I wanted to do a video of me doing an opening of my mirror in case anybody out there ever thought about buying one or you want one or whatever. Now you can see what it looks like when it comes to you. Okay? And anybody that works with asking me, have you opened the mirror? How's your mirror? You like it? And I'm like, I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it. I'm going to do an unboxing. And I wanted to do that on my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a quick little video. Oh my god, they have it really like, they have staples here. So, this might take a while. And I hope I don't cut myself. And I hope y'all can see. There has to be a better way. Let's see. There has to be a better way. So, anywho, y'all see that I have a vanity here. It's really kind of like, I'm still working on it. It's a work in progress. So, this is actually, in this apartment, this is supposed to be the dining room area. But I turned it into a beauty room. Because I'm into beauty. And that's what I wanted. Who cares about eating dinner? I want some makeup. And the lighting in here is good for doing makeup. So, I think this mirror was $6.95, but it went on sale for the holidays, so it was like $3.95. I don't know how much the shipping cost, but I'm pretty sure at that price it should have been free. So anyway, I turned it up on the upside where it says Glamcor, and I opened it that way. So I'm gonna get up and take it out of the box. Alright, so it comes in this foam, as you can see. The foam is taped up around it. So I'm gonna have to, like, once I put it up, I'll talk to you about why I always wanted this one versus the one that like Vanity Hollywood or Vanity Girl Hollywood makes with the bulbs and stuff. Now when I started looking at mirrors, I did want that one, but I was like, no. Those bulbs get hot and my skin is already oily and I ain't trying to sweat. Okay. So it's in this foam. Let me show you. So it's in this foam and I've just cut the plastic on the sides. Look at that. Look at this mirror. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Help me, Lord. I don't want to drop it. Okay, so I put the mirror over here, and here are the stands that come with it, or inside of this foam. Screws. So this is odd. It should have two stands. Okay, here's the other stand is inside this foam here. So I don't have the best camera, y'all, so I hope y'all can see this. Okay. The stands. Now I gotta find the instructions. And you're gonna need a screwdriver for these screws, okay? Interesting. And it comes with no instructions. How about that? I guess they say, you bitch, you better know how to put that mirror together. You ordered it. That's alright, I'm gonna find out. Let me get my little screwdriver. I'll be right back with my screwdriver. I have the screws, and I literally have no instructions. But I can't believe this mirror did not come with instructions. Like, the fuck? Like, it, okay. I gotta get my phone and see what it looks like online. I found the picture. Hold up. What the hell? Okay. We got one piece, but I'm missing the other one. So let me go back over here. Oh, I got this. I've been waiting on this mirror all my life. I got this. Oh, I need that picture again. Let me see. Oh, God. Stick that in there. And this is the stand. Yeah, see? Let me show y'all. See? Who texted me? See? Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. I got screws here. I guess it doesn't matter which side goes with what. So I guess it's universal like that. But I see two different kind of screws. Oh, maybe these little tiny ones. Okay, y'all. So there's two different size screws in here. Okay, you got the big ones. I don't know if y'all can see. Those are pretty big. And then you got these little tiny ones, right? Look, you can barely see it. I'm thinking the tiny ones are for maybe if you want to mount the mirror on the wall, because you can't. So I'm just going to stick to the big mirrors because there's 2, 4, 2, and the big mirrors, the big screws seem to fit here. Yep. And you gotta screw it in. So you need a screwdriver. And you just screw it in like so. Okay. Those little screws go here. Right here. Right there. Because you can do, when you put this in, like that, if you don't have anything to secure it, the mirror can slip out. But my question is, I figured it out. Okay, let me show y'all. Okay. So look at the back of the mirror. There's holes right here. That's where the little tiny screws go, so you can secure the little stands in the mirror. And this mirror is actually light. I'm not that strong, so, but you gotta be careful. Oh Lord, if I drop this, I'm never coming out of this apartment. Okay, so you put it in just like so. And you'll see it. You gotta have the mirror upside down so you can see the holes in the mirror, okay? Here, at the back of the mirror to secure this. See what I'm saying? And you can see where it goes. It lines up perfectly. Whoa, whoa. I just stuck myself with the screwdriver. Well, it didn't line up with that one perfectly, but it lines up with this one perfectly. Okay. Make sure you make it tight. And you want to take your time because you don't want to strip the screw. Then you screw. We're good. We're good. Oh, I'm sweating hot. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna put the other screw in here. There. But it's supposed to be a nice high quality of glass or mirror. So the mirror is put together. See how beautiful she really is. Oh, she's fabulous. Let's just peel this off. Hello, baby. Hello, honey. Yes, mama. Y'all, do y'all see? Do you see? Let me just put you back a little bit. Do you see? Ooh, oh, 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 oh my God, she's beautiful. She's so gorgeous. Oh my God. Hey girl. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? You good? Oh, okay. Hey, all right, yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so of course the power button is down here, the on and off switch, I should say. Okay, these two little knobs on the side control the settings. Like, so the top one is for your daytime light. Okay, so if you're gonna be outside and you want your makeup to reflect daytime makeup, then you would adjust the top button. And so if you turn it away from you, it goes off. You turn it towards you, and that happens. Yeah, keep going. We just keep adjusting. It gets brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. And the cool thing about this is you can do both at the same damn time. So I have both lights going. Ooh, this is feel like Diana Ross, honey. Diana Ross, baby. Okay, y'all want the details on this mirror? Let me just run them down for y'all real quick because I'm hungry. Okay. So we're going to go to Glamcor.com and let's go to Vanity Mirrors. And it is the Brilliant Mirror. And like I said, it's regular $6.95. Oh, damn. When he bought it for me, it was $3.95. Now it's $4.95. Ooh. Maybe they're going to sell after New Year's. I don't know, girl. I don't know. But anywho, it's still on sale. You call that a sale. Let's just see what picture adjusted beauty mirror. So that's why it doesn't get hot. So the mirror with the bulbs, they have a tendency to get hot, and your girl not trying to sweat her makeup off, and I am not even done putting on my makeup. Okay, because I didn't want the bulbs, and I don't know, I'm just like a new wave type of woman, you know. I like the new hot latest and greatest, you know. So this fits my personality. Okay, so let's see how tall she is, because I know y'all want to know that. She is the specs. Adjust color temperature. So these are LED lights, so you can do the candlelight to noon, daytime look, or whatever. I just showed y'all that. You can control the dimmable, so you can control the knobs, so you can go as high as you want or as low as you want. It's up to you, girl. Do you, boo? Okay. Dual voltage, 2 side outlets, so outlets where you can plug in your, so you can plug in your cell phone. You need charge, hot curling irons, flat irons, whatever you need charging, you can plug it in there. So the dimensions, so it is 18 by 5 in length, and it is inches long, the L in length. I guess this way, maybe. Anywho, y'all can go to the website and check it out, and somebody that's good and mad can help y'all with that. Is it ain't me? Times 1.5 inches W width. I know that. Okay, it's 24 inches in height. H, that's height. See, I know from here to here, I'm assuming. Okay. Oh, without the legs. Okay, legs and height is here to here, 24 inches. Okay, the rest y'all figure out on y'all. But yeah, with the legs, it's 29 inches. So 0 heat guaranteed from lighting. The table stands, which are these, are included. It's environmental friendly, so I don't have to switch bulbs out. So that's another reason why I went with this one, because I don't have to spend money on bulbs. I don't have to go on the website to order more bulbs, and I just don't have to do all that. So yeah, it's a 5-year warranty. Okay, so those are the details on the mirror. I'm in love. I mean, I can just sit here all day, honestly. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I just really can just sit here all day and be like, yeah. Girl, I know, child. I know you lied. Yeah, oh, she did. Man, I mean, I can just do that all day. I can do that all day. But I won't. I will do normal things and be normal. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my new mirror. And you know, hey, I searched YouTube for a lot of videos. I didn't see too many videos on this mirror, so I thought that it would be a good idea to do my own video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have one, shout it out, thumbs up the video. Tell me what you think about yours. I want to know, like, if you had it for years. Anywho, bye. I will see you in the next video. Do I do the kissy thing? I don't know. I haven't figured out my thing yet, but we'll figure it out. Peace. I mean, that all the YouTubers do that. Oh, how do I stop this video?